Hi, this is Alex Marienthal with a weekly snowpack update for the mountains near Cooke City on March 4th, 2022. Yesterday, there were multiple natural avalanches that broke 2 feet deep and up to 100 feet wide in Republic Creek south of town. These failed on a layer of weak, sugary snow that formed in January and early February. They failed naturally due to above freezing temperatures the last couple days. Earlier in the week, after a few inches of snow fell, skier triggered this avalanche in Goose Creek, north of town, which was similarly sized to these other avalanches that broke yesterday. And last weekend, this avalanche was triggered by a snowmobiler on the northwest shoulder of Sheep Mountain, breaking on the same layer of weak, sugary facets. Sadly, 2 weeks ago, a snowbiker was killed in an avalanche on Miller Mountain in the Sheep Creek drainage, which also broke on this weak layer that we've been referring to. And there was also another snowmobile triggered avalanche that weekend, which fortunately did not catch or harm anybody. So these avalanches occurred after a couple feet of snow fell in mid-February. Last weekend, strong winds drifted the snow into thicker slabs, which contributed to avalanche activity this week, coupled with above freezing temperatures the last couple days, which caused some more wet snow activity yesterday. Today, we expect some more wet, loose avalanches to be possible, in addition to the potential for large wet or dry slab avalanches. This weekend, temperatures will become cold with snow expected tonight and tomorrow. So wet snow activity will be non-existent, hopefully, for the next week at least. But we will still have the potential to trigger avalanches up to 2 feet deep on that layer of weak, sugary facets. So avalanche danger is moderate today and this weekend. With new snow or wind, danger could rise. So avalanches remain possible to trigger up to 2 feet deep on these buried weak layers. And with more new snow and wind, they could break in that new snow. So before riding steep slopes, carefully assess the snowpack for signs of instability and make sure to follow safe travel protocols and stay up to date with the most current conditions at mtavalanche.com. Thanks for listening this week, and check back again next week for another snowpack update.